Over the past decade, information systems have fundamentally altered the economic of organizations, greatly increased the possibilities for organizing work. Theories and concepts from economic and sociology help us understand the change brought by information technology. Now, let's go we see what is the impact of information system on organization. First of all, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I, Muhammad Zaid ASHRAF bin Khariri, I 18303400. Today I will explain about what is the impact of information system on organization from subtopic 3.2 in chapter 3 information system, organization and strategy management information system. Okay, we look to the economic impact. Information technology can change both the relative cost of capital and the cost of information. It is viewed as a factor of production that can be substituted from traditional capital and labor. As the cost of information technology decreases, it is substitute for labor, which is historically has been a rising cost. Hence, information technology should result in a decline in the number of middle manager and clerical work as information technology substitute for their labor. Second, information technology also affect the cost and quality of information and change the economic of information. It help firm contract in size because it can reduce transaction costs. The costs incurred when a firm buys on the marketplace what it cannot make itself. According to the transaction cost theory, firm and individual seek to economize on transaction costs much as they do on production costs. Firms have tried to reduce transaction costs through vertical integration by getting bigger, hiring more employees, and buying their own supplier and distributor as both General Motors and Ford used to do. Third, information technology also can reduce internal management costs. A firm grows in size and scope, and agency costs or coordination costs rise because owner must expend more and more effort supervision and managing employee. By reducing the cost of internal management costs, permit organization to reduce agency costs because it becomes easier for manager to oversee a greater number of employees. By reducing overall management costs, information technology enable the firm to increase revenue while shrinking the number of middle manager and clerical workers. On the organization and behavioral impact, it can flatten the organization. Large bureaucratic organizations, which primarily developed before the computer age, are often inefficient, slow to change, and less competitive than newly created organizations. By reducing the number of employees and the number of levels in their organizational hierarchy, behavioral researchers have theorized that information technology facilitate flattening of hierarchy by broadening the distribution of information to empower lower level employees and increase management efficiency. It is because lower level employees receive the information they need to make decisions without supervision. This empowerment is also possible because of higher educational level among the workforce, which give employees the capabilities to make intelligent decisions because manager now receive so much more accurate information on time. They become much faster at making decisions. So, fewer managers are required. Management costs decline as a percentage of revenue and the hierarchy become much more efficient. Organization and behavioral impact also post-industrial organization. The shape of organization flattened because professional workers tend to be self-managing and decision-making should become more decentralized as knowledge and information become more widespread throughout the firm. In the slide, post-industrial organization can increase relies on knowledge and competence and not merely on formal position. It can be may encourage task force network organization in which group for professional come together face to face or electronically for short period of time to accomplish a specific task. Example such as design a new automobile. Okay, on the understanding organization resistant to change. Information system inevitably become bound up in organization politics because they influence access to a key resource, namely information. System can affect who does what to whom, when, where and how in organization. Because information system potentially change an organization structure, culture, business process and strategy. This is often considerable resistance to them when they are introduced. On the research, organizational resistance to innovation suggests that 4 factors are paramount. First, the nature of the information technology innovation. Second, the organization structure. Third, culture of people in the organization for the tasks affected by innovation. It also change in technology are absorbed, interpreted, deflected and defeated by organizational task arrangement, structure and people. The only way to bring it is change the technology, task, structure and people simultaneously. Okay. The internet and organization. The internet, especially the World Wide Web, has important impact on the relationship between many firms and external entities, even on the organization. The internet increased the accessibility, storage, and distribution of information and knowledge for organization. This internet is capability of dramatically lowering the transaction and agency costs facing most organizations. Some of brokerage firms and banks in New York can now deliver their internal operating procedure manual to their employees at distant locations by posting them on the corporate website that can saving millions of dollars in distribution costs. Businesses are rapidly rebuilding some of their key business process based on the internet technology and making this technology a key component of their information technology infrastructure. On the last slide is implication for the design and understanding of information system. To deliver genuine benefit, information system must be built with a clear understanding of the organization in which they will be used in the central organizational. That factor to consider when planning a new system are in the following. First, the environment in which the organization must function. Second, the structure of organization like hierarchy, specialization, routine and business process. Organizational culture and politics, the type of organization and its style of leadership, the principal interest group affected by the system, and the attitude of worker who will be using the system, the kind of task, decision, and the business process that the information system is designed to assist the organizational system. Okay, that's all